Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn outreach checklist with Asana step by step clearly. Open your Asana workspace. Create a new project. Name the project LinkedIn Outreach Checklist. In the project, select Add Task. For the first task, write Define Target Audience. Add a due date to this task if necessary. Create another task titled Create Personalized Connection Requests. Include a description for this task outlining key points. Add a task labeled Prepare Follow-up Messages. Under this task, type tips for writing effective follow-ups. Create a task called Schedule Connection Requests. Decide on the best times for outreach and note them. Add tasks for each stage of the outreach process. Ensure each task is clear and actionable. Assign due dates to tasks to keep on track. Utilize Asana's comment feature for any notes or insights. Attach relevant documents or resources to each task. Use labels or tags to categorize tasks effectively. Regularly update the status of each task as you complete them. Monitor your progress through the Asana dashboard. Make adjustments to deadlines or tasks as needed. Share the project with your team for collaboration. Encourage team members to add their inputs and feedback. Set reminders to check on task progress weekly. Review and refine the checklist based on results over time. This process will help you maintain an organized outreach strategy on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.